Good afternoon, folks. Big Bo here with another great Class A diesel motorhome value from Parkway RV Center. Today we're going to look at a 2002 Fleetwood Discovery. This is a model number 37U. Exact length is 37 feet, 10 inches, bumper to bumper. Folks, some of the nice features about this one, it's got 2 slides and only 16,000 miles on a diesel pusher. This is got a great motor. It's got that 7.2 liter Caterpillar C7 330 horsepower turbo diesel. Arguably one of the most dependable RV engines you can buy. I know here at the lot, I know we go through hundreds of these a year, and it seems like we do have a little bit less problems with the Cats than we do the Cummins, but everybody's got their own opinion about that. But this is a good looking coach, folks. Got everything in the world you can think of. It's got washer and dryer, got a satellite system, got central vacuum. I mean, it's a well cared for system. It's a well cared for RV. It's got the optional 7.5 Onan diesel generator running right now, powering everything up inside. You know, these units came standard with a 6.5 propane, so somebody paid extra for that. It's got the optional Alcoa wheels. Tires look great. It's got the optional slide toppers. They're all in good shape. Got an awning, got the optional door awning as well, so you've got plenty of shade in this RV. We look around this motorhome. It does have a hitch on the back, 5,000 pound towing capacity. And folks, it'll tow more than that. I think this, if I read the weights right, this thing will tow around 7,500 pounds, but it's an insurance liability because the next hitch up is 10,000 pounds. And obviously if you put 10,000 pounds, you'd be overloading it. So you can put a bigger hitch, but you got to keep in mind, you got to keep it around 7,000, 7,500 pounds if you're going to tow with it. And be honest with you, 5,000 pounds, that's plenty for about 99% of RV buyers out there, because all you're going to put behind this thing is going to be a tow vehicle. And I mean, shoot, folks, 5,000 pounds is a way bigger vehicle than most people are going to tow. It's got Fleetwood's exclusive power platform, which gives you a full pass-through storage without raising the overall height of the coach. Plus, it's a heated basement. Only pick about this RV, folks, and I'll be honest with you, it is 16 years old. It's not new. You've got a little bit of fading and cracking on that stripe. Other than that, I mean, it's a nice motorhome. Power steps, got the bra on the front. It's a nice rig, folks, especially for under $50,000. Let's look inside. As we step inside, folks, everything looks great. The upholstery, the carpet, I mean, it looks just like you would expect a 16,000 mile motorhome to look like. We just drove it 550 miles in here. Did great on the trip. Got the leather sleeper sofa. You got a table booth that makes a bed. You got a table and chairs here. It's a good looking rig, folks. We did put new carpet in here, you know, like most of these, you know, 16-year-old carpet. Didn't have a lot of use, but the color was starting to fade a little bit, so we put new carpet in it, spent several $100s on that. So you don't have to, folks. We're not like other dealers. You know, even though this thing's 16 years old, we're not afraid to spend money on it to make it as nice as possible for our customers. Backup camera systems, got the hydraulic leveling jacks, got the 6-speed Allison 3000 adaptable transmission, power gear hydraulic leveling jacks, HD TV over top. Open this up here. Got your energy management system, slide control. It does have a built-in inverter. Battery cutoffs up here. All your tank level displays are up here. And on this side, got a little Blu-ray player and just some crossover stuff up here. So it does have a SAT system on the roof. You will have to have a receiver, of course, and service to operate it. Look back here, folks. Got Corian countertops. And I'll show you too. I mean, I'm not hiding nothing with these pillows. I know, you know, they were in there, and we always just set them up. You know, I don't want you to think we're hiding anything. I mean, this upholstery in this thing looks like 16,000 mile upholstery. It's in great shape. Table booth makes a bed. Upholstery looks great there. Table's not bent. Got the factory brochure. And if you'll look on the in the ad description, or if you're looking at a YouTube video on YouTube, look in the video description. You'll see a link to the factory brochure. Solid wood cabinets. Got a Panasonic surround sound speakers. This right here is maybe for a coffee maker or toaster oven, whatever you want to put up there that'll fit. You can look at the Corian countertops. No stress cracks. None of that. Got the Corian sink covers, Corian stovetop covers. Got an oven and a microwave convection oven. So you've got two ovens in here. That's a nice feature. Got the 12 cubic foot Norcold refrigerator, 4-door freezer. Refrigerator and freezer. It's already getting cold. You can see it's clean. Doesn't show a lot of use. Freezer, same way. Got a walk-through bathroom. You know, the shower, like all these showers, the plastic turns a little bit yellow with age, just like the skylight, but it's not leaking. You can look around the skylight. There's no watermarks, no water stains. Stickers are still in the shower, so it obviously hasn't had a ton of use either. Vanity area. Corian vanity. Washer and dryer combo right here. Probably hardly been used. Got a private water closet. Open this up. Porcelain RV toilet. Look around the vent. It's got the upgrade fantastic vent fan, and a little bit of storage in here as well. Thanks to that second bedroom slide, you got a big bedroom area. Queen Island east-west bed. Big closet across the back with sliding glass doors. Got the TV in here. Drawers. Got a stereo back here. Plenty of lighting. This unit's got two ducted DSI furnaces. It has two ducted roof air conditioners. So keeping this thing hot or cool, I don't believe is going to be an issue at all, folks. You got to realize the Fleetwood Discovery, they came out in 96, 97. From 97 to, if memory serves me right, about 2006, the Fleetwood Discovery was the best-selling diesel motorhome in America as far as new ones were concerned. These are great RVs. We sell a bunch of these used. You know, they're not a Prevost, they're not a Holiday Rambler, but they're a good medium brand. I mean, they've got a lot of features. They're well made. Freightliner XC chassis, of course, raised rail chassis. These things are well made, well built, and that's why you see so many of them still on the road today. A lot better than, like, say, Coachman or some of your Four Winds and things like that. This is actually a coach that'll last you. If you take care of it, you keep it serviced, keep repairs on it, performed on it, if stuff breaks down over the years, this motorhome will last you as long as you want to keep it. 16,000 miles on a diesel motorhome, you got no worries there. 6-speed transmission, automatic, 7,500 diesel generator, again, no worries there. It's a nice RV, folks, and you got to keep in mind this is how it came in besides us putting new carpet in it. So obviously it's been well cared for, and that's the secret to buying any used RV. If it's not been well cared for, not been clean, not maintained right, then you're just inheriting somebody else's problems. But when you can buy one like this that's been obviously well taken care of, you know you're getting a good rig. Folks, this unit checked out, ready to go, is $49,900. That's option A, haggle-free, firm. Doesn't matter if you're paying cash, trade, finance, or a combination of the three. It's going to include an ultra-low mileage 2002 Fleetwood Discovery 37U diesel motorhome with 2 slides. It's going to include, after purchase, this thing hasn't even been touched by our techs yet, folks. After purchase, we're going to go through this thing, put it in line in the back, and when it gets to the shop, We're going to go through an extensive major systems check by our certified RV techs. Anything we find on that checklist that does not function will be fixed or repaired or replaced before you pick it up at no additional cost to you. In other words, folks, if we have to spend several $1,000s, the price is still $49.9. You also, after it's been through service, you're going to get a call from our service manager, set an appointment with you. You're going to come in, pick this unit up, and that will include a walkthrough, personal one-on-one walkthrough by the RV tech that checked it out. He's going to show you how to operate everything. He's going to show you what he had to do to repair, if he had to do anything to make it pass the inspection, answer any questions you have, to show you how to hook up at the campground. If you got a tow dolly or a car with a tow bar on it, he'll help you hook it up, and all that's included for that $49.9 price. Plus, you get a year's worth of free camping at select RV resorts nationwide, up to 21 nights total, up to 7 nights at a time total. And these are not run-of-the-mill state parks or private campgrounds. I mean, these are $100 a night RV resorts. These are, I mean, they'll spoil you. But anyway, folks, all that's included for $49.9, haggle-free firm. The only way we discount our prices, folks, is if you take option B, and option B is buying the motorhome just like you see it here in the video. I mean, as is, where is, take the good with any potential bad. You know, that saves us time and money because we don't have to pay somebody to do an inspection, do a walkthrough, and all that other stuff. So, you know, we save you time and money. The advantage of that is obviously you get a discount off the price, and you can pick it up the same day you pay for it. So we've got two different ways to buy depending on what kind of shopper you are. $49.9 option A. If you want a price on option B, contact our sales department. They're non-commissioned, very easy to get along with. Our phone numbers are 706-965-7929, evenings and Sundays 423-605-6747. Check out our website to see our entire inventory, about 140 used RVs, parkwayrvcenter.com. We bought about 12 yesterday, so we're going to have plenty more coming in. I'm going to be posting. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Folks, we've been doing this a long time. We're one of the largest, oldest, and most successful independently owned used RV dealerships in the United States. We sell about 600 used units a year. We've been in business for 50 years. Third generation, family owned and operated, and so obviously, if that's not a true testimony to how we conduct our business, how we treat our customers, I don't know what else is, because there's not many dealers that's been around as long as we have and still going on strong. Come visit us here in beautiful Ringgold, Georgia. Very few people come here and look at our expansive inventory and don't see something that they don't want to buy. Thank you again for watching. If you have any questions, call us. You can email us at sales@parkwayrvcenter.com. We have financing available with approved credit, minimum 10% down payment. You can apply for financing right from our website. Thank you again. Nationwide delivery is available. Hope to see you soon in beautiful Ringgold, Georgia.